Hello coders, in this particular problem set scenario I will be discussing on the various way you can print a variable in Python. So let me make a new file, that new line.py, and let's discuss the problem set scenario one by one. So generating code and making some changes. So a equals to 11, not 11, a comma b equal to 11 comma 34. Fine. Now the first way to print without a string, that is formatted string. So we'll be having print the value of a, and we will be making some, we will be giving some room for the variable and the user given, our given, I mean there should be some space. So a space double quotation close, and then we will be giving a. In a similar way I will be duplicating this line, Control V, the value of, and this time we will be printing the value of b. There will be a problem. The two of the values will be printed in new lines. So CLS new line dot py, the value of a is 11 and the b is 34. The answer which is coming is correct, but we don't want a new line. So what should we do? We want the continuation to be the value of a, and then the continuation the value of b. So what we will be doing is that, let me give a space in here, and we will be giving here equal to end equal to double quote. Let me save the file and print it in console. The value of a is 11, the value of b is 34. Now comes the f string portion. How to print with f string? F string. This is the second way you can print variables in the console. So print formatted string, the value of a is a and that of b is b. Now let's save the file. Let's comment these two lines. So this line commented out and this line is also being commented out. Let me save the file, clear the console, and print the value of a is 11 and that of b is 34. Now what if in our earlier problem set scenario we are giving print statement in two lines? How to print the formatted string and apply this end equal to double quotation blank? So what we will be doing is that the value of a is a. Fine. Let me close the inverted comma and then comma, end equal to blank. Let me close the braces, and that of b. So print again a formatted string, quotation open, and that of b is something like this. Let me save the file and print this in console. Let's see how it looks. New line, the value of a is 11 and that of b is 34. So the gist of the programming is that the value of a is, whenever we are printing some variables in the console, after the quotation we will be giving a comma and then the value of the variable, and if it is a formatted string we need to give it within curly braces, and we are having that if you want the printed line to continue in continuation and not to begin the new line, print starts in a new line. If we don't want to be that in a new line, we will be using this one, end equal to blank. That's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys and happy coding.